Okay, so the video stopped and I wasn't even aware I was running out of time. I apologize. But you can see I took the coefficient off, took it off, took it off, took it off, and there it is. Then what I did is I looked at the second row here, and well, no, the second row is where I put first. All right, now I got her going. Now I'm going to take this top row, take all the variables off, -1, 8. You can probably see where I already did it and erased it. 2, 4. Now I'm going to take all the variables off here, but wait a minute. Isn't this all divisible by 2? So let's divide this by 2. Why wouldn't we? Make our lives easier, not harder. And there we have it. That's a good start because we got a 1 in the upper left-hand corner. Now remember, now we want to tack down one piece at a time. So how are we going to make this a 0? Well, it's pretty easy. Just add this to this. Fancy pants, we're going to just go R1 plus R2. So that means we're going to replace R2. Here comes an eraser. This plus this, 0. This plus this, 2. This plus this, -4. This plus this, 2. Now we're going to do the same thing here. This plus this, this plus this, this plus this would be a -3. This plus this would be a -1. Now I want you to look at this row. You got to take advantage of these things that just jump out at us. Can I divide that by 2? So 0 divided by 2 is 0. This divided by 2 is a 1. This divided by 2 is a -2. This divided by 2 is a 1. Now just by doing what math invites me to do, I'm locking up one of my goals. The only thing missing right now in this little triangle of zeros is this. So I'm going to take this row, multiply by -2. This times this plus this, gone. This times this plus this, 0. That's what I want. This times this is 4 plus -3 is 1. How convenient is that? That won't always happen. This times this is -2 plus this is -3. And now we're kind of done. What does this tell me? Z equals -3. Now I'm going to work back up the ladder because this says 1y minus 2z equals 1. Well, if I put the -3 in here, I'm going to get y plus 6 equals 1. Subtract 6, I get y is -5. Now I'm going to put this and this in the top equation. So I'm going to make this messy. So I got 1x minus 6y minus 6z equals -2. So x, let's do some mental math. What's -6 times -5? That's positive 30. What's -6 times -3? That's 18. And equals -2. So we got x, this is 48, so we're going to subtract 48. We get x is -50. So it's -50, comma, -5, comma, -3. Crazy looking answer, but that's your answer. That's it, you guys.